Hello, Kim Watson again. I was going to just do a box opening of the main kit, but then I saw the PL kit and I thought, you're gonna want to see this. So, without further ado, let me show you the amazing December Project Life kit. Here we go. Let's do the cards first. These are some cards that I designed for the kit. When I design these cards, I obviously take into account the whole kit. So it'll be the main kit, the embellishment kit, the paper, etc., etc. So all the colors will coordinate perfectly. And I try wherever possible to make sure that the sentiments and the actual card designs stretch over more than just that specific month. So it'll be for instance, December flowing right through into the beginning of January. So they should be able to work for a variety of family events. So let's have a look. These are our bigger 4x6 cards. This one says, just relax, enjoy every little moment. Hello, beautiful life. Some pretty hand-painted flowers. Snapshots of everyday life, 2017. A graphic black and white, which is great for layering and adding photos and bits and bobs on top. And then obviously the countdown to 2018. December 2017. Sorry, bit of a speech impediment there. Black and white highlights of the year 2017. Check. Little baby stars. New Year's Eve. A navy blue ampersand. Looking forward to with some prompts. Not prompts, journal lines. Don't mind me. Some colored stripes. Today, and then details of location and date. We did this. And this just says week, week, week. You can pop the week number inside the middle of that and then carry on the bottom. Another today card. The things you say, silly, sweet, serious, shocking. With some journal lines. Just a small prompt to capture some of the things that maybe you or your husband, if your husband's anything like my husband, he says loads of really stupid things all the time and they're hysterical and it's amazing. Anyway, and this type of card would be fabulous to remember a moment or whatever. Anyway, I'll stop right there. This says W for winter. Always look at the bright side of life. So those are the cards. Nice selection of colors. Nice graphic feel, especially because the kit is so nice and artsy with the combination of all the bits. Here we get a combination of lovely glossy die cuts. Come on, out the package you come. They're sort of like little clips. Flowers, butterflies, little birds, another little bird, hearts, a tag. I mean, these are fabulous for your pocket scrapbooking. I mean, you can either put them inside the pocket, on top of the pocket. You can even embellish on top of your plastic sleeve, which is a nice idea. This is the Good Vibe acrylic stamp set. They're 26 pieces. I love the fonts. Can you see these fonts? This is like a little tiny mini typewriter. It's like an open outline font. Here we've got some of the solid sentiments with the reverse showing through, which is also a great idea in terms of just variety, and a lovely script. So it's a very nice stamp set. The mix from Pinkfresh Studios. This is the ephemera pack. Now these are invaluable when it comes to pocket scrapbooking. I mean, not only do they prompt the types of photographs and memories that you can capture in your pocket scrapbooking, but they're great for journaling and layering, and they're pretty neutral in terms of what they are, so you can really go mad and embellish them if you really want to. I like the fact that there's little small bits as well. Just makes layering and that much easier. Also, they're small enough to add to photographs. I love the graphic vibe actually. Beautiful mixture of fonts, lovely colors. I like the subtle texturing they've added. High five, this happened. Living my best life. Wow, totally in awe. This is my favorite place. Good vibes. There you have it. The lovely die cut pack. Here, these are the Vicky Boughton, the mixed media stickers. Let's have a quick look. They're glossy finish, so they've already been, it's not like you add mixed media to them. I think it's the mixed media vibe. Let's open them up. There's a great combination of sentiments, and some are in label form, some are in strip form, others are little tabs. I mean, these are going to be perfect for your pocket scrapbooking for this month. Love these, love these, love these so much. There's something about a tiny little font like this with a narrow type of design, which means that you can make a long word, but it doesn't take up too much space. I love this. Actually, I could have this in every color of the rainbow. This is very cool, and this color is particularly fabulous. It's this gorgeous, nice, crisp aqua. Pinkfish Studio. You guys rock this font. Love it. And then there's a sticker pack, 87 stickers. This is from Good Vibes, from Crate Paper. We have a token llama. Gotta have a llama. Llama. Birds. It's all good. Some labels. Piece of pie. Donut. Cactus. I don't know, just a gorgeous combo of cute little bits, which will really add to your pocket pages for this month. So there you have it. PL Kit December Hip Kit Club. If you want to grab one for yourself, I'm not actually sure. There might be a few left. Hop on over to www.hipkitclub.net and grab one. Grab one while you can. Okay. Thanks. Till next time. Bye.